you. Bedding's clearing what we have to do here. Don't look at each other. Answer me.
Yes, boss.
Me sideways. Didn't think they were that retarded. Yeah, that little Pidgey. Pigeon and chips in the menu soon, mate. Gonna catch you, little.
So what happened between you and that bird last night? Yeah, it didn't really go to plan. Let me tell you what happened. So we were watching bird porn, and I thought to myself, oh, she was quite fit. So let me, let me give her a little peck or something and see where it goes. And then she was like, oh, babe, do you wanna give me a peck? Wow, great minds think alike. So leaning in for the kiss now, and then I felt something nudge me down there. I was like, wow, what's going on here? Anyway, I looked down, and I was like, yo, what the fuck is that on your foot, blood? Bruv, you never guess what I found. What did you find? She was on tag. Yeah. Swear to God she went to jail before you did. All of a sudden she was like,
Where you going, babe? Do you want to give me a little peck?
holy shit. Your mum was gone, I had to vacate the building, fam.
Oh, bro, that bloody plane got away, didn't he?
Fuck me, you bloody cow. You only had one job. Leave it to me. I'll deal with it. We'll catch you next time.
Ew, that's mad, fam.